Are the bounces anything to believe in? Because there, as Josh said, weak. And if you get a, look out below on these names, you got big, big problems in the broad market.
Yeah, I think, that we have to come back and look at what's going to be important this year. And we think more than anything, fundamentals are going to be important. Pricing power is going to be important. We're not counting on a valuation expansion, certainly not like we've seen over the last couple of years. In fact, we could get valuation coming down a little bit for the broader market. So I think when we look at what is going to drive this market going forward, it's earnings growth. So I think looking at the companies that really have solid earnings growth that are much easier to value, not unprofitable companies, but companies that are highly profitable, like the Microsofts of the world, and seeing that they're now down, double digits from their high. I'm not saying they can't go lower, but I think this is a good moment to add some exposure for those who may be underexposed. Now, there may not be many people who are underexposed, but I do think it does provide an opportunity. And I think as we look to next week, obviously a huge week, not only with earnings, but also the Fed. But I think it will be a moment for the market to refocus on fundamentals in terms of the earnings story here. And so I think it's going to be an important point. But I do think from a big picture standpoint, this isn't a bad moment to be adding a little bit of exposure. I'm not saying go all in at all, but I do think this is providing a little bit of an opportunity here for those really high quality names.